Hello, everybody. It's Sunday, April 4th, and we are about to head into Module 12 of this online astronomy course. Hope you're all doing well. Everything is fine here. Enjoying a beautiful Easter weekend. And the first thing I want to mention to you is that next week you have your third exam, and you can start taking it on Monday. And then the last day to take it is a week from today, next Sunday. So good luck on that. If you have any questions at all, you are welcome to contact me. You can send me an email. You can, again, I'll be happy to set up a Zoom meeting if that would be helpful to you. So I hope you do well on that exam. Now, with Module 12, we're headed into a new part of the course. You know, up until now, we've talked about the science of astronomy. We've talked about the solar system. We've talked about stars. But we haven't talked about the larger objects that are in astronomy. And we're going to start out by talking about our host galaxy, the galaxy that we live in, which is the Milky Way. So the Milky Way is our galaxy. It is huge. This is a picture of the Milky Way, and it stretches, this is taken in Capitol Reef National Park in Utah. And the Milky Way here is seen stretching. It goes from, on the right side of your screen, that rock formation is called the Temple of the Sun, and it arches overhead down to the Temple of the Moon on the left side of your screen. So that is the Milky Way, or at least half of it. Now, this is a super wide angle lens that took this picture. And so really, if you were to look at one side of it, if I was to look over to, for instance, over there for the Temple of the Sun, and then I was to turn my head all the way over to the Temple of the Moon, I would have rotated my head through 180 degrees. So those two rock formations are 180 degrees apart from where I would be standing in Capitol Reef if I was having this view. So you shouldn't think about, it's not like the Milky Way surrounds us, like we're in the center of some ring. The Milky Way is a big disk of stars, like pizza, you know, like think of a disk of pizza. And if you look over this way, you're pointed toward the center of the galaxy. And if you look in the opposite direction, you're looking toward the edge of the galaxy. But we're inside the galaxy. We have a pepperoni's view of pizza. So if you had a pepperoni's view of pizza and you look along the pizza, you would see a bunch of pizza out there. You know, just like we see a bunch of stars if you're looking in the plane of our galaxy. But if you were a pepperoni and you looked up out of the pizza, you wouldn't see as many stars. And so away from the plane of the Milky Way, we don't see as many stars. So it's a huge disk. It's so huge. It's about 100,000 light years from one side to the other, meaning that it would take light 100,000 years to get from one side to the other. And we're not at the center of this. We're not at the center of our show. The center of the Milky Way is here. It's over my shoulder there. The brightest part is toward the center of the Milky Way. And that is about 26,000 light years from Earth. And so if you were to go out and look at that some night, you'd be seeing light that left the center of the Milky Way about 26,000 years ago. So it's a great story. You know, how do we know how big the Milky Way is? How do we know our position inside the Milky Way? That is a great story, and you'll be learning about that. And I think especially interesting is the question of what is at the center of our Milky Way galaxy. Because if you look, you know, into the center of the Milky Way galaxy, well, I won't spoil the story. You'll find out what's there, but it's really pretty amazing. So that is what is in Module 12. I hope you enjoy learning about our Milky Way galaxy. As far as what's in the night sky, let's just take a look at stellarium here. Now, to appreciate this, you're going to have to get up fairly early. You're going to have to be outside around 6 in the morning. And if that's not the best thing that you can think of, that's okay. But if you have to get up and you happen to be outside around 6 in the morning, this is on April 6th. So this is early Tuesday morning. And here is the moon is just past third quarter. Third quarter moon is actually today, Sunday. So on Tuesday, it's a little bit past third quarter. And you can see that on the 6th at 6 o'clock, it's right under Saturn. So you can go out in the morning and see Saturn and see moon, one right on top of the other. But I think what's really cool is that if you wait a day and then go out the next morning, the moon has moved because it's orbiting Earth. Boom. And there it is. And now it's right under Jupiter. So you can see on consecutive mornings, the moon right under Saturn and right under Jupiter. So I hope you enjoy this module. I hope you do well on your exam. Again, if there's anything I can do to help you out, please let me know. And I will look forward to seeing you next time. So until then, have a great week. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.